Alright, so the first thing we're going to be hooking up is going to be our MCF HA3 cable. That'll be this one here. We have a special note here. It'll be in your packaging with the install instructions, and that'll be to connect this REV wire right here. You should have one of these in your kit as well, which will be the P-Tap. So we'll be connecting that. First thing we'll need to do is strip the end of this just a little bit. And once we've got that stripped, we'll leave it like this, and we're going to unscrew the top. We're just going to slide that over the wire like this, and then you're going to wrap this in here and twist it tight. So now we've got our reverse wire connected to the P-Tap, and we'll be doing this to the 24-pin connector. It'll be the brown wire. And if you have a multimeter, this is always good to check, especially if you're having issues with the display showing up at all times. And so that's going to be this tan connector here, and there'll be this brown wire right here in pin slot number 24. And you're just going to slide this bottom piece around the wire like this. You can see the groove in there where the wire goes in. I've got this side here with the needle tip to it, which will actually dig into the wire and give us a solid connection. Tighten that. And now we've got that connected. And we can move on with the rest of the install here. So we'll be plugging in these two connectors right here. That one there. And this will be the 12-pin connector. There we go. And next we'll show you the other connections we'll make back here as well. Alright, so we're going to show you how to test this harness real quick to make sure that your reverse wires tag correctly. So we've got our multimeter here, we've got it set to DC voltage, and we'll be connecting these two pins here. So the black probe will go to the black wire, and the red probe will go to the purple wire, which is our reverse. And as you can see, vehicle's not on, we're in park, it's a 0 volts or right around that. As we turn on the vehicle, it should still stay at 0 volts, and as we go into reverse, we see it goes up to 12. And when we go back to park, it goes back down. So we do know that we've tagged the correct reverse wire or correct wire, and we can continue with the install.